In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can reset the password of your AOL account. If this sounds helpful, watch the video till the end. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any upcoming uploads from us. If you have forgotten the password of your account, this process will help you to recover your password. Firstly, you will need to open up a browser. In the search bar, you will need to type in www.aol.com. After that, the official website of AOL.com will load. Now, on the top right corner of the screen, you will need to click on login/join. Then you will need to enter your email address. Now click on next. After that, you will need to click on forgot password. Then a new page will load. In there you will see a button called yes, send me a code. You will need to click on that. A 6-digit code will be sent to your mobile number. You will need to enter that code. After you have entered your code, you will need to click on verify. Now you can create a new password. You need to make sure that your password does not include your personal information. You can further confirm your password by clicking on the eye icon. Now you will need to click on continue. Those were the few easy steps to reset your password. I hope you found the video to be helpful. We will be back with similar videos like this. Thank you for watching.